Fluffy eggs wrap melty cheese and the bold flavor of spicy kimchi. A surprising combination that turns into pure comfort. Each bite blends richness and tang, making it perfect for breakfast or a glass of wine. Fermented kimchi deepens the flavor and brings a boost of warmth and energy. Easy to make but full of character. Let's make this bold and cozy omelette together.